Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about metformin, which is marketed as glucophage. Okay, this medication is normally for diabetes type 2 and PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, and it basically does two things. It helps increase sensitivity to insulin, so it improves insulin resistance as well as the suppression of glucose production from the liver. Okay, because if your liver's making too much glucose, it's going to raise the sugar. So metformin will chill that out and increase the sensitivity. So here's the hormone insulin, here's the receptor. It comes in, it makes the connection, and there's resistance. It allows the insulin to work better in the cell. Okay, well, that sounds great, but two things. One is the actual root cause is rarely addressed, like the high levels of sugar in the diet are rarely addressed. The frequent eating is rarely addressed. If that was addressed, you could eventually improve it without metformin. So one of the challenges with metformin is that it not only has side effects, diarrhea, nausea, abdominal pain, gas, but it has a boxed warning, which is a very severe warning based on the FDA, that will spike lactic acid, okay, which can then severely affect your pH and create a lot of more serious problems. Also, it blocks the absorption of B12 and folic acid. So that has a whole series of side effects connected to that. And in addition to that, you don't want to take metformin if you have a liver problem or a kidney problem. But who doesn't have a liver problem or a kidney problem if they're pre-diabetic in the first place? So it does come with a package. So there are some natural alternatives that you can use in addition to metformin. And by the way, check with your doctor before taking this recommendation, okay? But you can research berberine, which helps improve insulin resistance, okay? Cinnamon, goat's rue, green tea, bitter melon. All of these improve insulin resistance. So it's something to do research on as a way to possibly avoid these side effects. All right. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I wanted to personally invite you to a new Facebook group that I just started called Dr. Berg's Keto and Intermittent Fasting Lab, okay? So I created this so we can share our successful actions, what worked, what didn't work, the results. So I put a link down below. So go ahead and sign up and I'll see you inside.